Okay, it is the month of June in 2021, and I am about to show you the Avid Armor A420 vacuum sealer machine. This just arrived a couple of days ago. This is my first opportunity to pull the machine out and use it for meat. I will tell you that I had already kind of begun practicing with the sealer, so I knew how to properly make bags that would be adequate for the products that I needed to seal. So I got that dialed in pretty well. I did manage to seal some corn checks in a bag, just seal, just to get a good seal. And then I also took another quarter cup of corn checks and decided to use the vacuum slash seal feature, and the seal is fantastic. I mean, just fantastic. And what's funny is I could hear, and you can see if you look closely, you can see where, if you look real close, you can see where a couple of the corn checks actually split, which was kind of groovy. So that let me know that the vacuum was working really well. And then, you know, here's a bag where I just did a seal. Didn't extract any air, just did a seal. And just to make sure I get a good adequate seal, I'm going to place a thin catalog underneath my bag here. Just so I've got a more even distribution of weight before I apply the seal. All right, here goes nothing, kids. I've got two nice sized New York strip steaks in here. And let's seal. Whoops. Let's pull this little guy back a little bit. Can I get him in there all the way? Yeah, they're in there all the way. Goody. Okay, here we go. Yes, that's my cat in the background. All right, here we go. Seal, lock, lock. 2 clicks, let you know it's locked. All right, so this is considered moist. Now, I went ahead and froze my meat before attempting to seal. That is something that is recommended across the board by a lot of people using these machines. So I wanted to go ahead and do the same. I think it's gonna work better for me. So here are my options. I've got dry and moist. I'm gonna hit moist to let it know that's what I wanna seal. All right. And right now the machine says that it's sealing, and the LE indicator lights are flashing across left to right, letting me know that the unit is sealing. And I've got the little indicator button that says the process is complete. Lift this little guy up, hold that doohickey. Holy guacamole. I'll be a son of a gun. Wow. That is a great seal. That is fantastic. Oh my gosh. And I'm feeling around on this bag and looking. I'm looking at the bag, and I am not seeing any, I'm not seeing or feeling any pockets of air. And it sucked out enough air that you can kind of see the concave in the bag. And you know, this is a pretty good sized steak. I'm really pleased with that. Nice. Okay. Let me go store that in the freezer real quick. Let's move on to something. Let's do that again. Yeah, that might work. Yeah, that might work a lot better. Okay. Closing. Oops, don't close it all the way. My bad. Gonna open everything up here because I need to pull a new bag for my second set of steaks. And let me see if this is going to be the right size approximately. Oh yeah, I'm thinking that'll do. So go ahead and cut my bag. Close the bag compartment. And we got to create a seal so this bag will close properly. Double seal. And it will tell you when it's ready. It lets you know if you did the double seal. Now I'm going to hit seal. I really like the indicator lights on this machine. I also like this gauge that's determining, you know, the amount of pressure. All right. So I have my seal. That is a really nice seal, man. I'm digging that. All right, now, time to put my meats in here. This is very exciting to me, can you tell? I've left plenty of room so I can get a good seal. Okay, lots of room there. I'm going to take my little bag, line it up here. Gonna drop back just a smidge so I don't have, you know, and it probably wouldn't hurt me to have a thicker catalog. But for right now, I'm sticking with this dude. I'm going to stick with this setup right here. Okay. Double click. Now let's hope I can get this process done a little bit better than last time. It still says my indicator light is still on moist. That didn't change. So now let's do an auto vac and seal. Wow, okay, it says sealing, sealing. It will beep to let you know when it's ready. Complete. I'll be a son of a French biscuit. All right, well check that, man. Wow, fantastic. This is giving me a really great seal. Unbelievable. This is so fantastic. All right, guys, I think that's it for today. I hope this helped you, and good luck with your machine. It's a nice purchase.